Welcome back, students. A very good morning, all of you. It's me, Brind sir, and today in this video, I'll cover you tense, and this is a very important topic to all the students. So after watching this video, you must write these all things in your note copy so that you can understand it very good. And it's a very interesting topics. So you must watch this video till the ends. So let's start it from the very beginning. Welcome back, students. So here is your tense. So let's see its definition. My dear friends, what is tense? So let's read this one. Tense is a word that shows the relation between time and action is called tense. So my dear friends, as you know, so let's see the example. Here is your first example. I go to CKB, and the second example, I went to CKB, and the third example, I shall go to CKB. So my dear friends, this sentence is showing the relation between time and action is called tense. So as you know very well, there are three kinds of tense. So first one is your present indefinite tense, and the second one is your past indefinite tense, and the third one is your future indefinite tense. So my dear friends, we will see its definition one by one. So let's see the first definition of your present indefinite tense. So my dear friends, what is your present indefinite tense? So let's see. Present indefinite tense, it shows the habitual action and daily routine is called present indefinite tense. So my dear friends, you must write these all things in your note copy because these are very useful for everyone. So let's see the example of present indefinite tense in the next page. Welcome back, students. So here is an example of your present indefinite tense. So let's see. First example, I go to school, and the second example, my father goes to office, and the third example, I take bath in the morning. So my dear friends, these sentences are showing the daily routine, and that comes under the present indefinite tense. So my dear friends, here note there are two helping verb in this tense. So my dear friends, there are two helping verb in this tense. So first one is your do, and the second one is your does. So my dear friends, we will also learn how to use the do and does. So here is your do. So let's see the use of do. Do, it takes I, you, we, they, etc. So first example is your I go to market, and the second example, I do not go to market. So my dear friends, here is your spelling mistake. Correct will be your don't. I don't go to market. And the second example, you go to market. And the fourth example, you don't go to market. And the fifth example, we go to a school. And the sixth example is your we don't go to a school. So my dear friends, let's see the seven example. Here is a seven example. They go to a school. And eight example is here, they do not go to a school. So my dear friends, these are the sentence which are showing the daily routine. So my dear friends, we will see the more example. So let's move on into the next page. Welcome back, students. So here is your use of does. So let's see, my dear friends, does is also your helping verb, and it takes he, she, it and names, etc. And it always takes fifth form of verb. For example, the first, he goes to school, and the second example, he does not go to school, and third example, she goes to school, and the fourth example, she does not go to school, and the fifth example, it goes to school, and the sixth example, here is your Roman mistake, so correct will be your 6. It does not go to school, and the seventh example is your Ram goes to school, and the eighth example is your Ram does not go to school. So my dear friends, these are important to write in your note copy. So you must write these all things, and these sentences are expressing your daily routine. So my dear friends, as you know very well, there are 6 sentences in a tense. Yes, my dear friends, you must keep it in your mind. That's very important. There are 6 sentences in a tense. So we will see 6 sentences in the next page, so let's move on. Welcome back students. So here is your types of 6 sentences. So let's see. First one is your affirmative sentence. So my dear friends, here is your spelling mistake. Correct will be your AFFIRMATIVE, affirmative sentence. So second one is your negative sentence, and the third one is your question sentence, and the fourth one is your questions negative sentence, and the fifth one is your WH question sentence, and the sixth one is your WH questions negative sentence. So my dear friends, we will see its example. So here is your example. Let's read this one. So first example, I go to school. This is your affirmative sentence. So let's see the second example. I don't go to a school. So this is your negative sentence. And the third example, do you go to school? This is your question sentence. And the fourth one is your do you not go to school? So this is your questions negative sentence. And the fifth one is your WH question sentence. That means why do you go to school? So this is your WH question sentence. So last one is your why do you not go to school? So this is your WH questions negative sentence. So my dear friends, you must write this all things in your note copy, because these are very important to all the students. So my dear friends, let's move on into the next phase so that we can understand it very good. Welcome back students. So here is your questions for you, and this questions is very useful for you. You must go through this one, and you people must try to solve these questions, because this questions is very important, and this questions is related to your present indefinite tense, and answer is already given below. You must read the answer. So first answer will be your go, and the second will be your goes, and the third will be your go, and the fourth will be your go, and the fifth will be your kills, and the sixth will be your run, and the seven will be your lack, and the eight will be your does. So let's read the first question. So here is a two option. You have to pick one correct answer. So first questions, I don't ... to school. So here is a two option. First one is your go and goes. So what will be correct? You must choose one. So let's see the second question, she ... to school, and the third, she doesn't ... to school, and the fourth, Ram ... to market, and the fifth, Roshan ... a tiger, and the sixth one is your why do you ... here and there, and the seventh one is your what does Ram ... here, and the eighth one is your why ... he not come here. So option is already given here. You must choose this option so that the questions can be correct. And my dear friends, thank you for watching, and see you again in the next video, so that we can learn more things related to grammar. So my dear friends, thank you for watching, and see you again. Till then, have a fun. Bye bye.